In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Arc Raiders to Discord. Easy tutorial. Before we begin, here's what we're doing and why it matters. Linking Arc Raiders to your Discord account lets the game share your activity and status with your friends, and it can make it easier to coordinate when you're playing together. The process is quick, and as long as you're already signed in to both apps, you'll be done in just a minute. Start by logging into Arc Raiders on your computer, and also make sure you're logged in to your desktop Discord account. Having both open and signed in prevents any hiccups when the connection request is sent. If you use more than one Discord account, double-check that you're signed in to the one you want linked to the game. Once you're on the Arc Raiders main menu, look to the bottom right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That gear icon opens your settings. Click it to open the settings panel. You don't need to start a match or load into any other menu. Inside the settings, locate the section labeled Online. This section is where Arc Raiders handles its connectivity features. In there, you'll see a button that says Link Discord. Click Link Discord, and the game will immediately send you to Discord to approve the connection. Depending on your setup, this might open in the Discord desktop app or in your default web browser. Either way, you're in the right place. On the authorization screen, you'll be asked to review the terms and conditions for connecting Arc Raiders to your Discord account. Scroll down through that page so the Authorize button becomes available. Take a moment to read what access you're granting. It's a good habit whenever you connect apps. When you're ready, click Authorize. That's it. Once you authorize, the link is complete. Arc Raiders and Discord are now connected, and your activity can be displayed in Discord. In many cases, you'll see a quick confirmation in Discord or notice that Arc Raiders shows as your current activity. If Arc Raiders is still open, you can return to the game's settings page to see that the connection has been applied. To recap in a sentence, be logged into Arc Raiders and desktop Discord, open the gear icon on the Arc Raiders main menu, go to the Online section, click Link Discord, scroll through the terms, and hit Authorize. You're all set to share your Arc Raiders presence with your friends on Discord. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sessions with a smoother, more connected setup.